Tired of your Wix Media library looking like a digital junk drawer? Let's transform that chaos into a perfectly organized system. First, head to your Wix dashboard and click on Media on the left-hand side panel. This is your command center for all things visual. Now, let's create some folders. Click on the Create Folder button. Name your folders based on categories like blog images, product photos, or website banners for easy navigation. Drag and drop your images into their corresponding folders. This simple step will drastically reduce clutter and make finding specific images a breeze. Next, let's rename those generic file names. Click on an image, and in the Details panel on the right, you can edit the file name. Use descriptive keywords that relate to the image content. This helps with your website's SEO too. Let's talk tags. In that same Details panel, you can add tags to your images. Think of these as searchable labels. Add relevant keywords to each image, further enhancing organization and searchability. Finally, optimize your images for web performance. Wix usually does this automatically, but double-check the image size. In the Details panel, smaller file sizes mean faster loading times for your website visitors, which improves user experience and search engine rankings. Now, go forth and conquer that media library.